Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make rice water. First, what you will need, of course, is the rice, a mason jar. I'm using orange peels just to help with the scent because it can get a little bit funky, if you know what I mean. Here are some benefits of rice water. Depending on how long your hair is, you want to measure out the amount that you will need. Next, you want to give that rice a nice wash. Get all the dirt off of it. This ensures your hair only receives the nutrients of the rice water. I like to give it a few rinses until I'm satisfied that all the dirt is off. Now I have placed the cleaned rice into the mason jar. The next step is to add the amount of water that will be enough for the amount of hair you have. Now I am adding the orange peels into my rice water. You can skip this step because it is not necessary. But I do this because it does help with the overall scent of the rice water. Now, I typically leave this rice water to sit for about 24 to 48 hours. I just added a date to help me remember how long I'm letting this sit for.